Can meditation help kids in school? There is no doubt that kids are more pressured today than ever before. The result of this is an alarming increase in the number of children dealing with stress in the classroom. This is a widespread problem and stems from many different sources. Classroom stress can be attributed to children having low grades and feeling pressured because they are not good enough. It can also be caused by feelings of anxiety and depression. Then there is the issue of bullying and violence in schools. Even teachers are reporting that they are suffering from burnout. Learning today is done on computers, and this can lead to information overload in some children. While this can be a great method for teaching, some children are using their computers for more than that, and not in a productive way. All of these technological advances are great for students and teachers. One downside is that using computers and other mobile devices doesn't allow your brain any downtime. Even during recess and lunch breaks, children are busy on their phones, sending text messages and chatting. When do they have time to spend a few minutes sitting quietly? Stress among school-aged children is so rampant that many schools are now introducing quiet times or periods into the school day. Some schools do this by scheduling quiet times before school starts and before it ends for the day. This has been put into place not just for the students but for teachers alike. It gives everyone the chance to sit quietly for a few minutes and either read a book or to just rest and relax. In the United States, a committee was established in 2005 for stress-free schools. This was done in conjunction with the David Lynch Foundation for Consciousness-Based Education and for World Peace. This program reflects the benefits of using quiet time and meditation in schools today. By teaching children at a young age how to handle their stress, it is hoped that by adulthood they will have a good grip on dealing with this potential killer. As well as including some form of meditation into the lives of your children, you also want to give them more time to play and just be kids. It seems as though kids are being pressured into growing up and becoming mature at a much faster rate. This may not be done intentionally. Busy parents are just reflecting their lifestyle and habits onto their children, often without even knowing it.